Meaning of holograph.
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 Holograph. Holograph refers to a three-dimensional image formed by the interference of light beams from a laser or other coherent light source. The process involves recording the interference pattern produced when a reference beam and an object beam are combined on a photographic plate or other recording medium. This recorded interference pattern can then be used to reconstruct the original object beam, producing a realistic, three-dimensional image that appears to float in space. Holography has many practical applications, ranging from security measures on credit cards and passports to medical imaging and artistic expression.